Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Is That True? The Queen Mother and the Queen Are True? Chapter 19. So here it is. Let's read the story. Little Queen said, justly accused, didn't she want me to be a scapegoat when she said that? Could it be that? Right now, the little queen, she got really confused on what Queen Mother is planning to her. Elder sister, you really want advanced retreat with me? Right now, she really got confused. Thought the relationship of the two of them getting better. Right now, turns out, came back to the status quo. The little queen right now, she's suddenly surprised. Queen Mother, take out a dagger. Well, it means she will give her a dagger. Queen Mother, especially, prepare a dagger for her. Well, maybe she can use it in the future. Right now, the little queen, she was really surprised that the Queen Mother is always changing and it's hard to come by. But right now, she can see her on a different side. Well, this past day, Queen Mother gave her a lot of things. That's why right now she really got confused. Sister, well, right now, the Queen Mother is being sweet. She leaned on her, and it's like she want to defend on her. Well, this is tricky, right? She can see right now the different side of Queen Mother. The sugar steamed cheese you made is pretty good. Now, she really got praised by the Queen Mother. But Changshu, right now, she looks really confused. Queen Mother, besides from changing her attitude, now she becomes sweet to her. Especially she was acting like a baby. Changshu, right now, was thinking, wait, this woman suddenly changed her attitude again. Well, for her, King Jiangshu said, since she got praise, are you impressed by my cooking skill? Right now, look at her. She looks really proud of herself. Well, for the emperor, of course, he didn't like her cooking. Queen Mother so said to her, her cooking is good. Looking at Jiangshu, she was really confident on herself. Suddenly, the Queen Mother's right now. Looking at her, she looks really shy. Probably she want to praise her so that she will feel good. Right now, Queen Jiangshu, she get too high on praising herself. The Queen Mother right now, she looks really uncomfortable. Well, we can blame her. In Jiangshu, she was acting like a child. Well, the Queen Mother said, what a piece of food. Well, she really is. Right now, at least, two of them are getting better. This next day, Mother Queen's new masterpiece was Jiangshu's. Was cooking again. Now, she won the Emperor. Place her new masterpiece. Looking at it, Emperor right now, she looks really unsatisfied. Well, looking at her reaction, seems to she don't like meal prepared by Queen Jiangshu. Queen Jiangshu is asking the Emperor, anyway, it tastes pretty good. Don't know how Empress usually boasts herself. Right now, looking into it, Jiangshu, she go to the Queen Mother again. Queen Jiangshu asked the Queen Mother, taste the food that she make. Queen Mother said, good. Well, finally, Jiangshu was asking the Queen, this. Queen said, it was not bad. Well, but it seems that her reaction is not quite good. This time, she didn't praise Jiangshu. Mother, Empress C, I'm really kind to you. Looking at the little emperor, right now, all she can said, peaceful days always pass quickly. In the blink of an eye. Oh, it was next day. Entertaining envoys from various countries and giving them state banquet to wash away their dust. Well, this is it. This is the reason why the Queen Mother wants to separate or we can call two of them has a power. Phalas, Shi and Jiangsu lead the nation. This is it. This is the first time two queens receive a lot of visitors coming from the different side of nation. Right now, all the visitors trying to impress the Empress Dowager. Ministers said, Our Lady, the Queen Mother, has arrived. Now everyone on the banquet is welcoming to see the Queen Mother right now. Looking at her black dress, she looks really gorgeous. She was really stunning. Everyone on the crowd looking at her. The minister, "This courage," one of the ministers said. Looking at it, we all feel enchanted. The Queen Mother's beauty. How majestic. One of the ministers said, Really like the Queen Mother. Right now, Jiangsu, when she entered on the banquet, everyone was looking at her. She looks really gorgeous, especially with that phoenix dress she is wearing right now. Seeing Queen Jiangsu right now, all the ministers are getting crazy. How majestic. Everyone is praising her beauty. Especially, she was younger, wearing these phoenix robes and hairpins donated by the Western regions to the Eastern Empress Dowager. How could they be worn by the Western Empress Dowager? Well, everyone is making a gossip. Two queens finally sharing the things for the Phalas, the Queen Mother of the West, not to be underestimated. Now, the ministers still not stopping gossiping. When the two queens arrive, Jiangsu, right now, she looks really awkward. But for the Queen Mother right now, she's like a fox. Right now, Jiangsu, she was calling the Queen Mother, just said you should wear the phoenix robe. Right now, Jiangsu, she looks really shy. The men are gossiping about the robes, the Queen Mother's property. Right now, she's the one who's wearing it. The Queen Mother said, You dress well. Now, she get teased by the Queen Mother, the Queen Jiangsu. Right now, she looks really surprised. Said, well, the Queen Mother seems to be happy. Everyone's attention was putting over Jiangsu. She looked back. Jiangsu, she was looking forward to her. Right now, the Queen Mother seems that it was really good to her. She is the one wearing that robe. Jiangsu, right now, she was thinking, Queen Mother, she really changed her attitudes. Why do they always say such a weird things? Now all the ministers are at peace. Tonight it's just for having fun with you. Don't be too restrained. Well, Jiangsu, she was right. Right now, Queen Mother said, Congratulations, gift. Well, it turns out everything went well. Except the Queen Mother's plan really fooled the minister. An envoy from the north in Xinjiang came to see him and presented hundreds of cashmere cuts and some horse milk wine. The envoy from the Mobay came. Everyone was having a gift for the two Queen Mothers. Envoy from the Nanshao came to see him and offered him some purple clay pottery and cloud tea. The Queen Mother, two of them are really getting busy. Spiritual realm. See Your Majesty, see Mother Queen, Holy Mother Queen Mother. Everyone in the palace was greeting the two queens. Right now, this is new. Girl seems to be a visitor. Especially send some gold, jade blood, and BMWs. Well, right now, this girl seems to be a familiar. Well, Queen Jiangsu, right now, she really noticed this girl. Right now, the girl said, The gift list is here. Well, it turns out, it's named Kashmir. Looking at it, Queen Jiangsu, right now, looks really surprised. Well, did she really know this girl? That's why she was sweating hard. Kai Wei, the name of the girl. But right now, what is the relationship between the Queen Mother and Kai Wei? And suddenly this girl appeared to them. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!